This old guy DIY video has to do with removing the siding in preparation for putting a 2x8 on there so I can put a lean-to on this end of the garage. So I've never done this job before. I watched a couple YouTube videos and they suggested I get this siding removal tool. But once I came to actually do the job, I found on the siding, if you just come to the edge here and you pick up on this, you can get under the bottom edge without using this tool. And it's pretty easy and straightforward. So I just pulled that one piece out. It's just a matter of establishing the height you want to determine which piece of siding you have to remove. And then you can see where I picked that up with my hand. And then I just use this bar to pop the roofing nails out. So once you separate the two siding pieces, you can see what's beneath. And this one is just held on with roofing nails. And that's the one that I plan to remove. So I'll just use this Wonder bar. Pull the nails out for the whole piece, and then I'll be able to remove that siding. So I'll keep going. It's taken me about 10 minutes to get this far. I'm finding lots of ladybug remains, but that's about it. So we'll finish it up. I'm holding this old piece of 2x8 in there just to give you an illustration of how that's going to fit in relation to the existing siding. So it tucks in there nicely. I'll get some flashing, get the lumber that I actually intend to use, but it looks like this job will not be very difficult.